Okay, so this is pretty much a test video with this new stabilizer that my son and daughter-in-law got me for Christmas, for my birthday. And this is actually the first time I'm getting to be able to get out and use it. I'm over here in the town of Powell, Wyoming. I've got a doctor's appointment here this afternoon here in about an hour. And back in October, the end of October, the beginning of November, I was, what do you call it? Diagnosed with my second autoimmune disease. My first one being autoimmune hepatitis, and now this one here, rheumatoid arthritis. And so with that being said, that was at the end of October, beginning of November. And this rheumatoid arthritis thing kind of laid me up pretty good. I haven't been able to work. And it got me to a point to where I can barely... Let me see what these... Okay, I'm just messing around with these buttons here to figure out what does what. Anyhow, I think we're back here working. Yeah. So I haven't really even been able to get out and do any walking. We're at the Homesteader Park here in Powell. Got a nice little walking area. Thought I'd come over and try it out. Anyhow, yeah, I really haven't been able to do much. So the last 2 days, been able to actually start doing some walking. I'm on a new medication where I have to give myself an injection once a week. Been doing that on Sundays. Yeah, this is an aquatic center here, over there. You have to forgive me, I'm trying to get used to this stabilizer. So, bear with me. Anyhow, thought I'd try to make a video and let you guys know I'm alive and well. A lot of changes. Don't know if I'll ever be back in a truck again. Just gotta wait and see what happens. Been through a lot of appointments with doctors and hematologists, oncologists, rheumatologists. All kinds of crazy stuff going on. But just thankful now that I'm able to be able to get out and finally do a little bit of walking. November, December, January, February, almost 5 months. It was pretty bad. Paula had to dress me in the morning. I couldn't Couldn't even get myself dressed. But anyhow, this is a beautiful day today. Like I said, I just kind of want to put a little video together. And since I was coming over here to Powell for this appointment today, I thought it'd be a good place to try to get a little walk in and shoot the video. So I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of yakking. Enjoy the view. I want to thank you all for your thoughts and prayers and emails and whatnot as I started going through dealing with this crap. Just one of them deals. Woke up one morning with a stiff neck. That's all it was. That's how it started. Autoimmune disease. It's where your immune system begins to attack all the healthy parts of your body. It's a horrible thing. But we're plugging along. This is also a rest area for travelers on the road. In Powell, Wyoming, home of the Northwest College, established in 1909. Right there, that picture is Heart Mountain. Used to be a Japanese internment camp there at Heart Mountain. Check out the flags on the pickup truck. That's cool. Yeah, did about a 1.5 mile walk yesterday around town where we live, and then about 35-minute walk and about a 30-minute walk the day before that. So just kind of starting out slowly, taking it easy. Gotta figure out what these buttons do on this stabilizer. Welcome home, Stetter Park. That sign says the Bob Kolb Complex. So just do a little bit at a time. I can't wait to get the bicycle out to see if I can ride that. All my muscles have deteriorated for being down so long and not being able to do anything. A little place here to keep pushing the wrong button. Ends the video. Little place here to work out, do some exercising. It's pretty cool. Try to piece these videos together once I maybe upload them to my computer.
Hey babe, I just had a couple minutes, so I figured I would check in and say hi. How you doing?
Oh, how am I doing? You're on camera. Well, now I'm on camera. I'm over here in Powell. I thought I'd come over here to this park a little bit and experiment with this stabilizer and try to make a video and go from there, and then I'm gonna head over to my doctor's appointment.
Oh, okay. All right, well, good for you. Just don't do too much. Pace yourself, but good for you. All right, well, I'm not going to keep you. Good luck at the doctor. Let me know how you make out, and I'll be talking at you. I love you.
Oh yeah, I'm taking it easy. I'm only gonna do about 15 minutes here, and like I said, I'm trying to figure out the stabilizer and this, that, and the other on this thing so I could learn to use it, you know.
Well, that sounds like a good plan right there. All right, well, enjoy, and I'll be talking at you. I love you.
Okay, yep, I'll let you know how I make out over here, and we'll be talking. Love you too. You doing all right? Okay, I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna head to the pickup here. Love you.